Good morning, students. We are meeting here now after a while. We have what we have learned earlier. This about lesson one was this component of language. We have learned what is language, what is the grammar, what is alphabet, what is. So all these questions have been put up here, and what you are supposed to do. You will note down all the questions from this lesson one, and answer is written here in this book itself. So from book itself you will copy it down at your copies, CW copies, and then you have to remember it well. Then only you will be proceeding towards lesson 2. It is over now, so I have to tell the answer of what is the grammar. Grammar is the study or science of rules for forming words and combining them into meaningful sentences to form a language. This will be the answer. So you will copy it. Then what is an alphabet? Alphabet is a set of letters there are 26 letters in English alphabet, like that. So this alphabet consists of letters. These are capital or small. Further, these are divided into vowels and consonants. You have learnt all well up to now. Now this word, sentence and phrase and clause. Suppose what is a word? Word is a combination of letter. What is a sentence? Sentence is a combination of meaningful words which will make a complete sense, like that. What is a phrase? It is written here, a group of words without a verb is called a phrase, especially one that forms a part of sentence. So like that you have to note it down well at your copies, CW copies. Then this what is a clause? Here it is written the answer of it. A group of words that include a subject and a verb forming a sentence or a part of sentence is called a clause. Like that you have to note it down at your copies. What is a prefix and a suffix? Prefix is a form which is not an individual word, like that. So in lesson 1 altogether we have this 7 set of questions that you have to note it down well at your CW copies. Now this lesson 2 is coming up, the sentence. So we have already learned that meaningful group of words which convey a good sense or complete sense is called a sentence. Now you see all these jumbled words are here, and it is all set here in a proper way in order to make a sentence. Like it was jumbled and it was put here in a proper form. It was his birthday yesterday. This they are in the classroom, like that. So this lesson 2 is going to start now. A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Here also you find that definition is written here for a sentence, so you must understand it. If suppose anyone asks you what is a sentence, so you should answer a meaningful group of words which make a complete sense is called a sentence, like that. And this example is also there. Ram killed a snake, like that. It is divided into 2 parts. Here you will find in this lesson 2 that sentence part is divided into 2 parts. One is subject and the other one is predicate. Subject, as you all know, that the subject word will always be a noun or a pronoun, or a group of words that is doing a work of noun or a pronoun. Here it is predicate. It consists essentially a finite word with some objects or a complement or some complements. So like this you have to proceed in lesson 2. Some exercise are coming now. You have to note all those things in a proper way. These questions you have well copied it, and now you should make about lesson 2. This lesson 2 jumbled words. Lesson 2 is continuing here. Exercise A. I am reading a book. One has been told to you. And the A2. A week has 7 days. A week has, you have to punctuate also that every sentence will start with a capital letter. So you need to give capital A, and that you have to punctuate. I will tell you what is the term punctuation is, but right now here you should concentrate. A week has 7 days. Okay, third, the sun rises in the east. T will be the capital, and the sun rises in the east. Like that, we have to finish this. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. This Sunday is a holiday, and as it will be the capital, not this is small. Sunday is the holiday. Like that, you have to change the words order to make it meaningful. The sea is making a noise. Rose is the beautiful flower. The rose is a beautiful flower. 7 it is. 6 I have bypassed. The rose R will be capital, and every sentence ends with a full stop. So you need to do all such things whatever is given here. And now further we find this number 10, give oxygen. Plants give us plants and trees give us oxygen. This is number 10. Number 10, the plants and trees give us oxygen. Plants and trees give us oxygen. So that will be the end of your today's lecture. And now henceforth we will be concentrating on the subject. These exercises are based on subject and predicate. So for that we have to understand what is predicate and what is subject. It is all written here. You need to memorize it well. Then we will be going forward. Okay, fine. All the best. Copy it.